Hello, King Fahd University, Saudi Arabia is offering scholarships for masters and PhD students, and there is no application fee or any IELTS requirement to apply for this scholarship. Okay, so to apply for this university, we will just go to Google and type here scholarshipsguides.com. After opening this website, in the search bar, we will just type King and I will click on search button. Okay, so I can see King Fahd University Saudia Scholarships 2024. So I will just click over here. So here we can see a complete information about the university, and you can see all the related information about the university over here. And here you can see eligibility criteria to apply for this program. So basically you will need a bachelor's degree to apply for master's degree programs, and to apply for PhD programs you will need a master's degree. Okay, so in the scholarship benefits you can see there will be free accommodation, medical coverage, and also monthly stipend will be given to the scholarship holders. Okay, so in the required documents we can see we should have bachelor's and master's transcript, CV, passport, statement of purpose, a picture, colored picture, and also if you are applying for PhD, then you will need a master's transcript and degree also. Okay, in the programs offered we can see there are a lot of programs that are being offered in both the master's and PhD programs. So you can see your related program from the list given. Okay, to apply for this university I will just click here to apply online button. Okay, so it will take us to university official website, and here we can see regular MS and PhD admission. Its status is open and its last date is June 29, 2024, and it started from May 2020, May 22. Okay, to apply I will just click on apply button. So it will first ask us to create an account, because we don't have any account already. So I will fill this information to create my account. Username, first name, you have to fill this information, then type your email. Also you have to select a password that should be minimum of 6 characters. Then you have to click on create account button. Thank you for creating an account. An email has been sent to the address you provided. So I will just go to my Gmail account and I will see here to verify I will need to click over this link and my account will be verified, I think so. Okay, thank you for verifying your email address, please sign in. So I will use the details that I entered while creating the account. Okay, so I will just put username and password and click on login button. So it will log in me to the portal. Okay, so here I have to select scholarship category, scholarship type. I will click on international scholarship. Okay, here description of each category is also given. You can just see and and select whatever is suitable for you. Okay, then you have to select degree type where you want to apply. If you want to apply for master's degree, PhD degree, okay, you can also apply directly to PID, direct entry after graduation. Here all the details are given. You can read these and apply according to your program. So for example, I would apply for masters or masters of science program. Okay, then it will ask me to select my major. I will select aerospace engineering and click on next button. Full name in Arabic. You have to select your gender. So we have to fill all these details. Blood type, native language, other. Okay, country of birth, Hijri date of birth. Okay, you can fill these details according to you. Okay, then you have to write identification details. You can enter your passport number, then its issue date, and then expiry date. Okay, after filling all this information, you have to enter your contact information, your cell phone number, your address, city, zip code, and then country. Okay, if you are accepted as an international student, we would need to know your preferred embassy. Okay, you can just write your embassy name over here where you want to apply for visa. Okay, then I will click on next button. Then we will have to provide education history, your previous institution name, city, country, GPA scale, obtained GPA, previous major, whichever it is. Okay, then you have to select your degree type, full time or half time, whichever it is, degree completion date, degree duration. Okay, then any employment information. You will if you have any job experience that you want to add, you will just put all the information related to that job experience that you have. So employer name, and you will type here company name where you worked, then city, country, and it started job title type, if it was full time, part time, whatever it was. Okay, so if you want to add any other job experience, you will just click over add another response, and you have to fill all the information of other job also. Okay, then you will just click on next button. It will take you to recommendations. So you will need 2 recommendation letters. You will just write first name and last name and email of the teacher from whom you want to get recommendation letter, and then click on send invitation button. After filling all that information over here, you will click on send invitation. Okay, then you will click on referral. Here you will select an appropriate option where you listened about this program. So you can just click on social media platform, mention the name of the referral. You can just write here Facebook or YouTube, whatever it is. Then you will click on next, and it will take you to requirements. Okay, so here it is showing me all the documents necessary, documents that we need to upload. We can see here bachelor transcript, passport, CV, statement of purpose. Okay, these are necessary documents, and if you have any job experience, you will just upload its certificate in this portion. You just have to click on attach file and then click on choose file. You have to select the file and just click on open or upload, and it will be uploaded. So you have to upload these documents one by one, and after uploading all the documents you will just have to click on submit button and your application will be submitted. So this was the complete procedure to apply for this university. Thank you.